Hello everyone, my name is Varad, he's Manthan, he's Faisal, and she's Madhuri. We are doing our Advanced PLC project, and this is our station, and this is in completion of our final project, that is the 5373 Advanced PLC.
Hello everyone, my name is Madhuri Patil. I will walk you through the PLC we are using. We are using Siemens S7-1200 PLC, which is 1215C DC PLC, which has 14 digital inputs and 10 digital outputs and 2 analog IOs. Out of these, we are using 6 digital inputs and 8 digital outputs. So these are, you can see the inputs and output terminal blocks which are used to connect to this PLC. I will walk you through the inputs first. So here are the 2 inputs, start and stop. The other 2 inputs are connected to this sensor, and this is the part presence sensor, which is a photoelectric proximity sensor. These are 2 reed switches. The 2 inputs are connected to these 2 reed switches, and yeah, these are the 6 digital inputs. I'll walk you through the 8 digital outputs. So first output is connected to the conveyor belt, which is a motor driven conveyor belt. We are using external power supply for this motor. Now I will walk you through the digital outputs connected to the PLC. First one is connected to the conveyor belt. The other one is connected to the pneumatic cylinder to sort. Then the other 2 outputs are connected here to the linear actuator, which opens and closes the hopper. The other 4 outputs are connected here to this pneumatically controlled actuator, which engages and disengages the container. These 4 outputs are controlled using these solenoid valves.
My name is Faisal. I'm part of the Advanced PLC project, and we are doing a project based on RFID scanner based sorting system. I'll just walk you through the hardware that we have used for our PLC project. Initially just walking through the inputs. The first is the start and stop button, after which is the sensors, photoelectric sensors. Then the next 2 inputs are the reed switches for the pneumatic cylinder. Now coming to the output section, we are controlling the motor for the output, after which we will be controlling the pneumatic cylinder, and then comes the electromechanical solenoid linear actuators, and after which we are controlling the pneumatic cylinders. The essential thing about them is that they have 2 outputs, one for clamping and then one for release. So in total they have 4 outputs. So putting them all together, it comes out to around 8 outputs.
Hello, my name is Manthan, and I will be talking about the process of Amatrol 87 MS4 station. Now this station was modified according to our own needs for the project. This is the container that will be sorted and filled, and this is the position where it is initially placed. Now before the project, we had decided to put an RFID sensor to scan the container, and depending on it, it will sort out, but because of space constraints, we are keeping this aside. As you can see, this is the RFID scanner, and we are using these 2 cards to sort the station. One has an even number while the other has an odd number. When we scan the even number, as you can see, the last digit is even, which means that the station will let the container move to lane A, that is on the left side. Now for the odd number, as you can see, the station shifts the container on the right side, which gives it in the lane of B. Thank you.
Now I'll walk through the whole system using the SCADA system. Using this SCADA screen. So this is our SCADA screen, and as you can see, this is the blinking number, that blinking cursor. That means it's asking us to enter the RFID. I'll be scanning an even card using on the RFID, and once I scan this executes a number. Now since the cylinder is not actuated, it shows us that this card is supposed to run in track A and not to be sorted on to the other track. Now I'll start the conveyor from here. This starts the conveyor, and now you can see the part presence is being censored, and now it's filling. Now the process is complete. Now it's engaged. Now when I put another part in with an odd number, I'll be reinitializing with another number. Now the part has been sorted. Now it goes into the track B. Now the filling station is active. The process is completed, as you can see. Now it is waiting for the new component.